Let's practice some order of evaluation precedence in Excel 2013. So the idea here is that just like math class a long time ago, we have this idea of PEDMAS. Parenthesis comes first, exponent comes second, division, multiplication, addition, and finally subtraction. So sometimes we call this BEDMAS instead of parenthesis. It's the same thing as the idea of a bracket. What do we mean by this? When we click into a cell and we use a formula, equals, and this is a way to test somebody and stump them and make fun of them, equals 2 plus 2 times 2. If you ask someone, what does Excel evaluate 2 plus 2 times 2? Someone might quickly say 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. And you would say, wrong, you fail. Actually, what happens here is we have 2 times 2, star means multiply, is evaluated first because multiplication is higher than addition. So we have 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So when I press enter, we get the answer 6. This is useful for troubleshooting in case you have some incorrect formula. You want to know what's going on. It's important to understand that PEDMAS or BEDMAS is always in play. What if we go to the formula bar here and add some parentheses? We stick some parentheses around the 2 plus 2, and you can see that parentheses has the greatest power, so therefore this is evaluated before the multiplication. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So now when I press enter, ta-da, we have 8. This is good to know. So what else do we have here? We have exponents. If I say 2, and that's a little caret symbol, if I press shift the number 6, you get this symbol. 2 to the exponent 3, so that means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. If I say equals 2 to the exponent 3, enter, don't forget the equal sign, we get 8. What about division? If I type in what is equals 5 divided by 3, press enter, we get a decimal number from dividing. The forward slash is dividing, and if you don't like this many decimal places, in the Home tab in Excel, you can just hit this little button called Decrease Decimal. That's a fast way of decreasing it, and you can see that Excel automatically rounded the number 0.666 up to the number 7. So remember that in life there are priorities. PEDMAS. Parentheses are more important than exponent and division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. In the same way how when you are going to get certified, for example, the Moss Office certification, I would argue that Excel is one of the more useful certifications.